about this, but you the only body I see. Every nigga wanna see they got it, but till you get the IV. Ooh, you the illest and I got it. Babe, it's just the way that.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and today I'm back with another crochet hairstyle tutorial. So the hair I'll be using today is from Cool Hair on Amazon. They sell amazing crochet hair and wig products. This is their 8 inches Yanky twist crochet hair and it's in the color 1B. They also are available in different colors. I received 8 packs in total and each pack comes in 30 strands. That's 240 strands of that twist in total. So I took it out of the pack and the hair feels so soft and the curls are so bouncy and beautiful. Also, this hair comes pre-looped and the twist is handmade, so you shouldn't bother about it unraveling. You can also reuse it after taking them out, so that's a plus. Also, it comes with a free crochet pin. So first and first, I'll go ahead and put my hair into a cornrow braid. It's just 2 braids going across at the back and the rest and all back.
Start my time for loving you break hearts. No one do it better than all these memories. Sit here, cherish it on this earth. You're my fire element. When I'm with you, time irrelevant. She drive me crazy. No Miss Daisy, give me doses. You my medicine. 101 at the top, you're the prospect. No, they say that love is a process. With you, it's easy, no complex, no nonsense. I want to lose my stress. You are my light in the darkness. Ride through the hardest point for your hardest. Pairs on Mars, it struck me the hardest till we depart. When
So I'm done with the cornrow braids and that's how it's looking now. We are ready to crochet in the hair. So as I said earlier, this hair comes pre-looped, so all you have to do is open it up like this, then begin to crochet it in. It's as simple and easy as that. With the crochet, be sure to crochet it closer to each other. Don't leave too much spaces between them. Also, I'm doing the single knot method because I want to reuse this hair after taking them out. That way it's easier to take them out.
Real quick. Watching them on, yeah, there you go. Cause she will stay beside me. She riding for me. Her touches feel like a Friday. I'm ignited, baby. Tell you I'm a princess. What do I want to take my time, I invest. The girl them out the road is in a distress. You make a bitch press up your interest. You know, no matter how much girl in my DM, she not pre them. She trust me cause she never get a reason. Believe some me, I take her back a girl and just a breed them. No, no. Turn her from a region, she knows me all about her body on my type, like she wet like a baptism, bless the body like a church. I'm loving up every curve and big currents where you curl like bumbo blood clot. It's the boy I write a verse now, hey. Girl, you know you're special. You kill them dirty bungle like a dental. Now she the one who been in a special. Fuck it up like a devil, yeah, 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 yeah. Cause you are the one for me. It's like you're a part of me. Yeah, but to nigga like
so that's the final look and I really love how it came out. It came out looking all beautiful and cute. The curls are so bouncy and the hair feels so soft. Also, I used all 8 packs of the hair and I really love the volume. But if you want big hair or extra volume, I suggest you buy 10 packs or more. They are available in different colors, but be sure to check the description of the product before buying because not all colors have 30 strands per pack. Some are 20, so be sure to check the description of the product before purchasing. So link to this will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a little comment, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.